Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iMessage not working. Sometimes it just doesn't work and then it just shows not delivered with the red text. So I've gotten this a lot because I use iMessages a lot. Now, one way to fix this is actually just by going into settings and then scroll down all the way to messages. Over here you can see the toggle with iMessage and just turn that off. Just wait a couple more seconds and then turn it back on. If this hasn't worked, you could try something else too. Just turn off iMessage again and then go all the way to the top and sign out of your iCloud. Then sign back in and go back into messages and then turn it back on. Now the last and final way that I could think of is turning off iMessages and then restarting your phone by holding the power button for like 6 seconds, and then it'll show off this toggle where you can turn off your phone. Then just turn it back on and then you can turn on iMessage again and it'll probably work. Now this is just a really short video that I wanted to make because I've been getting this problem a lot recently. So I just thought of some reasons why it might not be working and how to fix it. So if this worked for you, please leave a like and subscribe because I post videos like this once a week so you don't want to miss out.